How to remove your Skype account on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove your Skype account on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and now click these three lines here in the top corner and then click share profile and then click edit profile, and now just go down until you find links and click edit, and here just go to your Skype account and you will find remove and click remove and save it. And that's how to remove your Skype account on Facebook mobile, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.